Hi everyone, and welcome to the UC Tag tutorial for Fall 2022 admission. This tutorial is brought to you by the Santa Barbara City College Transfer Academy. In order to complete your tag application, you would need access to a computer, internet, copies of all of your transcripts for every campus you've attended, these are unofficial copies that you need, and a copy of the most recent student education plan you have with your counselor, if it's available to you. Before we begin, there's a couple things we want you to know. This video does not replace speaking with your counselor, so if you have academic questions, please reach out and speak to a counselor. Your UC Tag application must be completed between September 1st, 2021 and September 30th, 2021 for Fall 2020 admissions. You can start working on it earlier, but you can't submit until September 1st. You still need to apply to the campus after you complete the tag application. The UC application is due by November 30th, but you can start working on it now. In order to receive a UC tag, you must meet all of the UC tag requirements for the campus you're interested in. You must also have completed a minimum of 30 UC transferable units by summer 2021. For more information about Transfer Admissions Guarantee TAG, go to their website. That's https://admission.universityofcalifornia.edu/transfer-admission-guarantee-tag.html. Just as a reminder, additional tags may be available to you. For a list of universities we partner with, check out our website. That's http://www.sbcc.edu/transferacademy/tag.php. This tutorial is sequential. There's multiple videos that will help you finish your tag application. You can skip around to the section you really need help with, or you can watch it in a sequence. This is the sequence it follows: how to create your account, inputting your personal information, your messages, reporting coursework correctly, that's very important, your exams, reviewing the application, submission, and what happens next. There will also be a video on additional resources. That's it for now. See you in the next video.